Morning.
Good afternoon, Mubarak.
It's good for you, and for good afternoon for you, good morning for me.
Where are you right
In
now?
in Australia, I'm in Mumbai, India.
Okay, I'm
Right
in
now,
Brisbane, Australia.
you are in Brisbane, Australia. I know that. Well, the thing is this: one of my friend from Dubai, she's contacting you.
She did. She did.
She's
She's
there,
re-
Marina.
yeah, Marina. She's requesting 20 metric tons. I was just amazed.
Yes. No, whatever you have available, because we're very big. We're not in a very small categories.
Okay.
Whatever availability you have in that gold, 20 tons. If you don't have 20 tons, let's start with
No, we
that.
can break it down.
So,
We can break it down
yeah,
one
if
ton, one
gold is in
ton.
Dubai, is
Yeah.
it in Dubai?
No, we
Okay.
don't bring
So
gold
you,
with a boomerang. You know that. Gold is money. We don't bring gold to Dubai. We need to know the credential of the buyer first. We don't rush.
correct.
We need to know the
Can
background
you
of the
do
buyer.
one thing, because I am outside. I am outside now. I am walking. I
Yeah.
cannot speak because my previous call. Give me a call back in half an hour.
Okay, tell Marina, what's her name, that she
Yeah.
has to send a letter of intent because we don't know the buyer. We need to know the buyer. Hmm.
Okay. The thing is that I will call you back. Give me like half an hour. I'll call you back.
Yeah,
We'll
okay.
speak.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is March 14. The world is on panic because we are really huge recession, especially in United States. The political situation in United States is not really very good, and also in Europe. Okay, the world is on panic because of the geopolitical situation around the world. So the investors are buying precious mineral because precious mineral they can refine it into different uses: jewelry, false teeth, 99.99, which is gold bullion. Now today the price of gold is 2,987.8 per ounce. In dollars term is 96,059.93. So the price of gold, it fluctuates. So I'm always sharing the information to the world. I always update the price of gold. So today, in your end, you're still sleeping. On my end, it's already almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The time here is 1:41 in the afternoon, which is Friday. So this is the last transaction of the stock exchange. So I watch the movement of gold on my screen, right? Now the price is 96,061.86 in dollars term. Now on per ounce is 2,987.86. If you are really a gold trader, pay attention properly on the movement of the gold. Wilhelmina is sharing the vital information for the buyer to understand that we don't bring gold to your destination. We don't. You are buying $1 million. So we need to know the credential of the buyer. Now on this video, the full corporate is very extensive. Subscribe and make a comment. Click below and give me a thumb or give me the evaluation after you watch this video. I just finished having a conversation with the gentleman from Mumbai. India needs gold. Dubai needs gold. United States needs gold. Europe needs gold. Everybody needs gold. Why? Because they are scared. Because the paper money has no value right now. Where the gold coming from? Africa. So Africa is the one who mines the gold. He exhibit the soil because the seller owned the mines. He has a huge deposit of gold. So he washed the gravel. When he washed the gravel, he collect the dust gold. When he collected the dust gold, then that is the time he will smelt the dust gold into bar. Now the bar is a dory bar, which is unrefined. So the gold bullion is already refined. deposited in the vault, in the bank, or refinery. Now, the bank is shortage of gold bullion because they make sell, they exchange, buy and sell. So now, they are on panic. Why I know they are in panic? Everybody come to Wilhelmina because I advertise on the world map that Africa produce gold and diamond. Where the gold coming from? Different part of Africa. Now I handle Conakry, Guinea, Mali, and Sierra Leone. If you want to buy gold in Ghana, I don't entertain Ghana anymore. I used to handle Ghana. Ghana has no gold. The gold in Ghana coming from border to border is smuggled. So I don't touch Ghana because I was being screwed in Ghana. I went to Ghana. I studied the business behavior. The sellers are notorious. They don't care about you. They don't. They're gonna say, here's my gold, where is your money? They don't even help you. Now, Wilhelmina is helping you. Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. My role is very crucial to you, Mr. Buyer. Because if you are not well advised, guaranteed 1,000,000% you are going to lose your money. Why? Because the African continent has changed. African continent lost money because some sellers, they're trying to smuggle. You as the buyer trying to smuggle as well. So now, Africa has changed. No such gold will leave Africa until the gold fully paid. Until the buyer pay the gold to the owner of the gold in order to reflect the cash inflow. The cash inflow means your receipt of your payment, bank to bank. Okay? We don't deal upfront because you need to pay the gold before the gold take out of the country. Why? Because the seller will provide you as a report. The gold has to be assay first before you pay. You will be given a certificate of clearance, ownership, custom clearance, ECOWAS certificate, child labor certificate, and the seller will issue a certificate that his gold is free of illegal activities. And you, as the buyer, will also present to us money laundering because we want to know your money is really clean. Because most of the criminal, they're using money to buy gold, to launder their money. All right? And also, both buyers and sellers, they launder the gold. So there is a process. You cannot just say, oh, Wilhelmina, I'm a buyer. I want to receive the gold to India, to Dubai, to America, to Australia. I think you are not paying attention. You as a businessman, you should know. So you're lucky that you found this video. That's the reason why I'm on this video. Every video, I put the date because I updated the price of gold. Now today is March 14, the last day of the exchange transaction. New York is closed at the moment. So they're gonna open when the stock exchange open. They will start doing some trading. They trade the gold, they trade the diamond, they trade the oil, etc., etc. So now, the price is 96.70. I'm watching the gold price, the movement. 96.70.86 already. Per ounce is 2,988.14 already. There is a tendency that the gold will turn to 3,000. 3,000 per ounce. On 3,000 per ounce, okay, 3,000 per ounce. Just a moment, I'm gonna educate you properly. 3,000 per ounce times 32.15. Okay, just a moment. 3,000 times 32.15. This is the price. as today, because it's almost 3,000 per ounce. Okay, 96,450 per kilo in dollars term. 96,450 per ounce. Our selling price less 8%. Less 8%. Your profit per kilo is 7,000. Okay, 7,716 minus 96.075.69. Just a moment. 96 093.69. It's really very fast increasing. Less 8%. Okay, minus 96 again, 093.69. Oh, my calculator is not working. Okay, 96, 087.90. Less 8%. Just bear with me. My calculator. I'm going to okay. I'm gonna give you the real price of gold so that you have an idea. Guinea gold price. Okay. Oops, I think I'm about to cross. Okay, on 22 carats, the price, our selling price is 87. Less 8% is 87. 87.95 as today. So, there is a tendency that the gold will turn to 3,000 per kilo. I already warned everyone on my previous video that there would be a tendency that the gold will rise because of the geopolitical situation around the world. Now America is under inflation. Even in Australia, we are under inflation. The price of products getting higher. The price of vegetable, the price of milk, the price of egg, the price of bread, the price of clothing, everything increases. Now, when there is an inflation, the prices goes up. Now, the wise investors, they are buying precious mineral in order for them to protect themselves because their money has no value. The paper money value decline. Now, gold has a value. Okay? Now, if you are intending to buy gold, you're gonna ask, well, Amina, I am the buyer. I don't want to pay upfront. There is no upfront. You have to pay whether you like it or not. There is no upfront. What you have to do, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, read the full corporate offer in this video. Every video, the full corporate offer was already laid out. I was the one who expanded it because the seller would not expand the way I explained to you. The seller hired Wilhelmina to market to the world. I'm based in Brisbane, Australia. I am the extension of the seller. At the same time, I am your business facilitator. I know you've been roaming around from broker to broker, and most of the broker, they landed to Wilhelmina. Why? We are now on digital information. You search on YouTube, my video pop up into your screen. You search on Facebook, my platform pop up. So I put the pictures, and every pictures there is a message. And then I put very extensive full corporate offer. This is FOB. This is not CIF, cost insurance and freight. This is not LC, letter of credit. This is not SBLC, standard letter of credit. This is not a block fund. This is not a bank guarantee. Now, may I explain to you about bank guarantee? Your bank will guarantee to release the money when you borrow money in the bank. Gold is money versus your paper money. So you don't have the cash flow. So you will go to your bank in order for you to borrow money. Now you cannot get the money from the bank if there is no contract that you are intending to buy the gold, because your bank will ask you, why you want to borrow money? What are you intending to use the money? Yes. Do you think I'm ignorance? You as the buyer are ignorance. You have no idea, thinking that you can just involve in gold business. You are a buyer, you're gonna bring gold to Dubai. No upfront. Gold is money you're buying. You're buying $1 million. We have to know who you are. We have to know your background. You never know you're a criminal. You never know your money is dirty. You never know you are a hold-upper. We have to do the real process. You as the buyer, you need to send a letter of interest that you are intending to purchase. Just like when you apply for a job, you have to have your resume in order for you to get the position. Buying gold, exactly the same. You need to apply to Wilhelmina to purchase what you are looking for. Wilhelmina will listen to your needs. Wilhelmina will review who you are. Right. So, if you don't present who you are, what company you are, if you're a big company, that's fine. Because we are a company. My salary is a company. The head office is in Conakry. The head office is in Mali and Sierra Leone. I'm the one who will scrutinize you whether you are qualified or not. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. This is for export. Mr. Buyer, if you landed this video, if you bumped to this video, listen to this video. And then subscribe. Time to time, you will be notified. Okay? Then, click below. It says show more. Okay? You need to pay attention. Do not be excited. Do not. Because when you come to Wilhelmina for conference on WhatsApp, on Skype, or Messenger, I'm going to ask you, how do you get my number? So, oh, I saw you on YouTube. Did you really read it? Not really. I'm going to ask you, you better go back and read. Digest it properly. You comprehend, because I was the one who put everything. I expand it. Okay? The seller hired Wilhelmina to tell the world that Africa is the main source. 98% raw materials coming from Africa. Why the central bank in London buying raw materials? Where? Everywhere in Africa. Why Chinese are everywhere? They're getting precious mineral. They're getting bauxite, and then they're gonna refine in China. They're getting gold, and then they bring it to China to refine it. That is their business. Our business, we have the raw materials, which is Doribar. Our price is 87 per kilo. So you're gonna say, oh, too expensive. Well, you're buying expensive item, you must remember. So you cannot just blame yourself that, oh, too expensive, therefore you don't have the money. Yeah, I'm telling you, you don't have the money. Because once you involve in gold business, you need to be rich. Yes. You need to have $1 million in your bank account. Yes. Or you need to have 800,000 in your bank. Because I'm going to ask you credential. When you read the full corporate offer on every video, I'm gonna ask you, okay, you really fully understood? Yes, Wilhelmina, all right. What would be the next? Oh, Wilhelmina, send me the procedure. You're not reading, because I'm gonna very very blunt, I'm gonna ask you, did you really go to school? Because you didn't read it. I went to school. My seller didn't educate me. My seller just give me here. I have to compile in order for you to get it. In order for you not to be cheated. In order for you not to be scammed. Don't you know what is the meaning of scam? You're gonna be lied. There's so many buyers been losing money. So, oh, I was being scammed. Whose fault is that? Yours. Why? You're asking for cheap price. Gold is not cheap. The real seller would not sell cheap. And the real seller would not give his gold to you for free. Gold is not free. Gold is money. Gold is king. He who has the gold makes the rules. Who makes the rule? The country. Now, may I give you a little bit of explanation. When the seller mined the gold in his property, the seller applied for the license to the government. The government charged the seller. You know how much to have a license to mine is $47,000. And then to have an export license, another $7,000 before he gonna touch his property. Okay? Now, when the government give all the clearances of the seller then will hire the excavator. Then the seller hired the workers to dig on his property. Do you think the bank will give him money? Do you think the worker will work for free? Do you think? And you are crook buyer asking no upfront. To me, you are really crook. Believe me. And I'm very blunt. So do not tell Wilhelmina, I'm gonna buy no upfront. Right on there, I'm gonna tell you, you are crook. Because this is not for you if you don't have the capital. Because gold is money. You got my point now? Now, you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, teach me. I'm not here to teach you. I already expanded in order for you to comprehend, in order for you to read. Very details. Impossible you would not understand. Impossible. How many joker broker, I call them joker buyer and joker broker. How many I rejected them? Thousands since 2011. Thousands because they don't comprehend. You don't need to be in gold business if you don't have capital. Don't. Stay away on gold business if you don't have a capital. If you're just brokering, if you landed to Wilhelmina, I'm gonna ask you who is your buyer because we don't pay double commission anymore. Instead, we give the buyer discount. Now, my services is very important, Mr. Buyer. I do charge my extra service. Yes? When I travel with you to assist you, yes, I do charge. I've given you free information. I've given you the knowledge on how to secure the gold. If you learn out of this video, I wish you good luck. Congratulations. And then if you win the shop, go for it. If someone offer you cheap price, go for it. At the end of the day, 1,000,000% you are going to be deceived. I refrain using the word scam. You are going to be deceived because the seller in Africa, they don't care about you. They don't. They just say, okay, here's my gold. Where is the money? And then when the seller say, okay, my gold, you pay taxes. I beat you. You will never get the gold. Why? Once you send the money to the particular seller, he's going to switch off the phone. He is. I know, I've been to Africa many times. But if I'm gonna be with you, I am going to prepare everything for you. You need to send me all your credentials. A copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, proof of fund, and certificate of money laundering. If you prove that to Wilhelmina, you're a real buyer. Now, when I receive that, I'm going to review that. Then I'm going to send it to my head office. Okay, I already validated this buyer. Let us proceed. Now, Mr. Buyer, you will receive the confirmation of your order. You need to state that on your letter of interest called LOI. There, Wilhelmina, I watched YouTube. I am a buyer. I need to purchase 50 kilos, 22 plus carats, the purity 96, 97, and the mode of payment, Wilhelmina, CIF. Right on there, I'm going to reject you. Yes, this is not CIF, this is FOB. Now, if you're going to say, Wilhelmina, I meet the criteria, I want to travel next week, okay? You will receive the confirmation of your order, 50 kilos. You will receive the contract. Now, the contract, you will receive mining license, export license, the company profile, and the seller mining site, and the seller that he did pay yearly taxes to his country. So you are dealing with the right seller. Now, Wilhelmina will charge you 20,000 to accompany you. Okay? Now, when you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, too expensive. Well, you're buying expensive item. You are. So if you don't pay my extra service, that is fine. You travel, and I will monitor your movement 8%, regardless whatever the price, 8%. And then if you have an issue, because the seller wouldn't care about you, I'm telling you. But if I'm gonna be with you, I am going to babysit you. Because if there is an issue, I can find a backup. You're paying extra. The meaning of extra, that 20,000 to cover my expenses. Now, end of this year, I'm going to charge 25,000. You're buying $1 million, Mr. Buyer, you're gonna get the profit of $1 million. The 20,000 is peanuts. Which one you like? You wanna buy, you wanna make a profit to 1 million profit? Because you will get the profit. Yeah. You will get. Every month you get the profit. You're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the minimum? Show me. You have $1 million? Okay, we can give you 100 kilos. Or 50 kilos. Or if you want a tons, we will break down your order because you cannot afford it. There's an inquiry that the buyer wanted 20 tons. She's a broker because she doesn't know how to introduce herself. You know, when I applied for a job here in Brisbane during my time on real estate, I have my resume. Who am I? What is my experience? What can I do? How I'm gonna offer to the company? You as the buyer, you are going to convince me what you can offer, what you can afford. You cannot just dream that, oh, I want to buy gold, how much is my commission, how much is my profit. If you're gonna ask how much is your commission and then say in the you are a broker. If you are a buyer's agent, your buyer is responsible for you. We cut off all the joker broker. Now, because I'm charging you of $20,000 instead of 8%, I will renegotiate the price for you 10%. So at the end of the day, when you sell the gold to your customer 2%, you get a profit of 8%. You never know, if you convince me that you have $20 million in your bank account, your bank statement will signify that you are really a real buyer. Without that, well, I mean, I wouldn't believe it. If you're gonna blah blah blah, I wouldn't believe it. If you watch on March 8th my conversation with this two professional guy, he didn't meet the criteria. Yeah, he didn't. If you watch my video on March 8th, they are telling he's telling that he's a banker. Okay, if you're a banker, you should know the business. I'm not a banker. I finished Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I'm exposed to the community. I'm exposed to sell the property. Buying and selling exactly the same. There's no difference. Buying gold exactly. You're buying cash. Business here. Buying property, you go to the bank, you're gonna borrow money, right? Because you cannot get the property without paying the vendor. the vendor would not give his house credit, you go to the bank, borrow money, in order the bank will give you 450,000 or 500,000 or 700,000. If you don't have that, how are you going to get the 700,000 worth of houses? The bank will ask you, do you have a pattern of savings? Yes. Buying gold exactly the same. Wilhelmina is very tough. You cannot outsmart us. Because the seller, I feel sorry for the seller. He lose 24 million and he loses his eldest son because of the carelessness. Mr. Buyer, what is $20,000 to your business and you get the profit of 1 million at the end of the day? If you increase 500, your profit is more than 20,000 is peanuts. Now again, the price now is getting higher. Now it's already 2,984.27. On 22 plus is 87,995. Now we are now on Friday, so next week or Monday, I'll bet you this price will be 3,000. There is an anticipation at the end of 2025, the gold will turn to 3,500 to 4,000. And you would not be able to get it. You're gonna be starving. Your business would not function. I'm telling you, if there is no supply, especially if you are a gold trader, especially if you are a jewelry manufacturer, especially if you are a refinery, you wouldn't get the supply. I'm telling you, you can only get the supply when you meet the criteria, when you talk to Wilhelmina, because you are dealing direct to the main producer. I am not a joker broker. I'm not. The seller hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing. So my position is very crucial and very important to your business. Believe me, Mr. Buyer. Just a moment. Hi, Bumarak.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. How are you?
It's good. Okay.
Good afternoon to you in Australia and good morning to me here in India.
Good afternoon. It's already 2:11 in the afternoon. Today is Friday.
Yes. I was supposed to be in Dubai today, but 2 days I had to delay more. 2 days because I will be there on Monday. Number one, it's a holy here. Second thing, it's a second Ramadan. It's very difficult to travel all the time during Ramadan while you are fasting.
I see. I would be traveling.
Okay, I'm sorry for that.
I would be traveling on March 31st.
You'll be traveling what?
I would be traveling stopover in Dubai March 31st.
March 31st. I will see you then in Dubai. I'll be there.
No, I only stop over a few hours because I have the buyer. I have just to pick up the buyer from London. He's waiting for me in Dubai. So then we travel to Africa. I can only meet you after the transaction.
I have spoken with my country port in Dubai, Marina, and I told her that you will send her all the documents, comply everything, and you will do that, and she will do it because you have to see on the time difference. Right now it's Dubai in India. It is about 9 in the morning, 9 a.m.
So where is Marina right now?
Yeah, it's 7 a.m. in Dubai.
Okay.
Right
No,
now.
8:12 in the morning in Dubai.
Okay, you'll fly Dubai in the morning. So we have arranged things. The precious metal is there. Yeah?
Okay.
And we can comply that thing and we can supply, no problem. I will be myself there as well.
No, they tell Marina that he has to send first the LOI because I would not release my seller's credential. I need to gather the credential of the buyer first.
Definitely she will comply with the rules. This is what we are doing also as well. We have to also check from your buyer. We need the proof of funds. If we send you an LOI, we need a proof of funds and we need the funds certificate, clearance certificate for money laundering.
Correct.
These two documents are must.
Exactly, exactly. Not previous year the Dubai doesn't care about money laundering. Just recently because Dubai has been used to launder the gold. Yes.
No, but I have sent you yesterday the link about the American Trump government. They have changed the rules now. This is why they are having they compromise with Russia on some businesses with regarding this precious metal.
Correct.
I sent you already. So there is plenty of precious metal in Dubai right now for sale. But these two documents are must. One, you have to enter through KYC, complete KYC. Then you have to enter with the money laundering certificate.
Well, if there's a lot of gold in Dubai, why they cannot get the gold in Dubai?
Who?
Well, you were saying that there's a lot of gold in Dubai, so therefore buyers can buy gold in Dubai.
No, it's not that easy because you see the Dubai gold has been kept by America, so they have a law, they have a rules. It's not a lawless country. Money laundering and everything has happened too much from there. So the government is too tight now.
Mhm. I think you're right
So
because
you
one of
see,
my
when
buyer.
you do something, you want alloy, that is true. But what does the seller need? He needs the documents as well, correct?
Yes, when Marina sent me business registration of the buyer, importation license, I passport copy and the
Yeah,
proof of
they will send you all the documents when they send LOI.
yeah.
They will send you all the documents. Definitely.
Then we will
They will send
respond
the
it.
bank and it will be when they will send you the KYC of
Correct.
the company, there will be complete documents.
Yeah.
The company details, formation of the company, everything.
Yeah. And the buyer will receive as well the company profile. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes.
They will receive mining license, export license, and the mining site of the seller and the video presentation as well, and the company profile of the seller, who is behind the company. There are 7 company owned by the seller.
Complete documents you get before anything. But
Correct.
what I am saying you, before they show you or release anything, they want the proof of funds, which is a very important document nowadays. Because anything we have such a scale business going through, it has to go through IMF, International Money Monitoring Fund.
Correct.
With IMF, without the comply of IMF, no payment will go through.
I think you're right because I think 2014, I had a client, Bumarak. I have the client that his fund was been frozen for a few days. And lucky I was there, okay? And my seller wasn't aware. Now the buyer transferred the payment and he was being panicked. So we did provide everything on behalf of the seller. Within 3 working days, his payment was being lifted because he was being questioned why he is sending money in Africa. Because Africa is a red flag of gold laundering. So it's true. It's true. So now,
see, look, there are sanctions like Cameron, Kokorikinki. These are sanctions by America. If things are sanctions by America, you cannot move anything. Russia couldn't move anything now. This is why they come to an agreement for a ceasefire for a month.
I think even Congo has a sanction. Congo
open some doors for the business Russians and Americans.
Yeah, Congo is under sanction as well.
Trading. That's why with that there are a lot of people. They say, "Oh, we have gold, we do this, we do that," but they don't know that the paperwork is must.
They don't.
If they don't have a paperwork, forget it. You will lose only money, traveling money, hotel, flight ticket, and end of the day, the business will not go through.
Exactly.
Now in African country, people don't go directly do the businesses because there has been a lot of fraud. People, they've been taking money. So many things going on. So
when
it has to go through with the proper documentation from the government of the country. There's a Chamber of Commerce.
Correct.
In Australia, there is a Chamber of Commerce. In Dubai as well. So both the government verify the document through banks, obviously, with KYC. Everything is clear. Then the deal will go through.
Exactly correct. You're right.
The MIF will give the clearance, International Monetary Funds.
Correct.
Once it is clear, then the deal will go through. This is say with the oil, with any business.
Mm. I think Dubai and Conakry is really direct because tell Marina that he has to deal with Sky Cargo.
I was in Ganakuni. I was there. When I have very good friends. They have an office in Geneva. They have an office in Dubai, and they have an office in Ganakuni. I know this. So
And then,
we know the rules up there. Cameroon as well, because Cameroon all gold is coming to Mali.
well, I
Kenya,
think
all
Dubai,
is run by mafia.
no, Bumarak, Conakry has changed since Mr. Conde has been
Are you from
ousted.
there? Are you originally from there?
Yeah, this changed. Now the new government, no such gold will leave the country without full payment. That's it. That is the rules and
Yeah,
regulation.
but let us do this. I will be in Dubai next week. You will come on 31st of March.
Yeah.
Okay, come to my office. We will sort it out there, and yeah, we'll take it from there.
Well, you know what? Before I'm gonna meet you, I need to see the credentials of the buyer. Really. Because I don't want to waste my time. Time is money. I don't want to waste.
Time is money. That's true. That's a good way to say time is money. That's true. Yeah, but from my side, you are cleared. I'm giving you security. If they have these two documents, I need the money laundering certificate from the bank and proof of funds.
Okay. That's fine.
That's two things I need.
All right. Nice talking to you, Bumarak.
Nice talking to you. Have a great afternoon in the sunny Australia.
You know, when I wake up, I have 150 inquiries. Can you imagine that?
Really? Oh
Yeah.
my God. You're famous.
And if there is no address, hi, hello, I just don't bother to open. They send me hi, hello. I always educate them through my video. Please, when you saw my video, do not say hi, hello, because my name is not hi. My name is Walamina.
Where are you from originally?
I was born in the
what's your
Philippines. I was born there.
Philippines. Oh, okay.
I left
All
50
right.
years
Very
ago. I travel around the world, and then
Amazing.
I came to Australia and
I have a Filipino famous musicians. We are doing show in Dubai.
I used to be a musician, don't you know?
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So it's
My
very
last
famous Filipino band. They are playing music around the world for Filipino. We had a meeting in India. Now in May they will come to Dubai. We are finalized something because Dubai has a lot of diaspora Filipinos there. So
I
they
used to
want
be a
play gigs.
musician.
So I am organizing. My company is organizing that gig.
My last assignment was in Port Vila, Vanuatu. 30,
Vanuatu.
yeah,
Okay.
37 years
Yeah, I know.
ago.
I've been there as well.
Yeah. Now I'm
Amazing,
retired.
amazing.
I'm retired because my thyroid has been removed and I cannot reach the pitch. But originally, I finished Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. It was very, very, very happy to meet you. I'm lovely, and I will speak to you. Yeah.
By the way, Bumarak, how did you found Wilhelmina?
Good, all right, very nice. I mean, yeah, as long as I saw your professionalism, I saw the work, the documents. It's all okay. It's all fine. No problem.
I mean, in the beginning,
if there is something missing, I'll tell you.
I mean, in the beginning, how did you get my number?
It's one of my friends. He's my business partner, also from Dubai.
Oh.
Mr. Said is a local Emirati.
Oh, I know Mr. Said. Say hello for me.
Yes, he's my brother. We know each other 20 years.
Yeah, he's been following my platform for I think for 3 years. Yeah.
Yeah.
He
So
knows
he's
me.
like, yeah, he's a local Emirati. He's a sheikh. He's
Oh,
from
I see.
one of the royal families.
Tell Sahid
of
Walamina
Dubai.
say hello. Hmm.
Yeah, he gave me your number. Yes, Said gave me. We will meet when you come. You will see.
When I finish my transaction, we will meet each other. We're gonna have a cup of. We're gonna lunch at the MCC. Hmm.
Oh, then we have to do it after Ramadan.
Yes.
We make a feast for food and lunch or anything after Ramadan
Yes.
or after 2 weeks.
All right.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, Mr.
All right. Nice talking to
Bumarak.
you.
Thank you very much. Have a nice afternoon.
Yep. Thanks.
Well, I just finished talking to this gentleman from India. If you bump on this video, please listen thoroughly. Understand so that you're gonna get the idea. Knowledge is the most powerful. I was giving you lots of knowledge. Believe me, if you deal with Wilhelmina, I can take you to Africa because I have a transaction successful. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. When you wake up, you will see this video, because if you subscribe, immediately you will be notified. Then you listen to this video, because this is for everyone. We are now on digital, you must remember. Thank you and have a pleasant good afternoon. Today is Friday. Happy weekend. I open my office from 9 o'clock in the morning until midnight, because we have a time difference. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant, again, good afternoon. I shall wait for you. Take time to read the full corporate offer on this video. Relax. Don't rush, because you are buying $1 million here. Thank you.